What's going on, you guys? It is RJ. We are back again with some more Ladies Code. We have our final 4 music videos with our girls after the unfortunate events of the tragic accident. So we have Galaxy, The Rain, Feedback, and Set Me Free. I'm very excited to see, I guess, like, I don't know what direction they may have gone in after that situation. If there was like maybe some type of like slight rebrand or concept change or something like that. I really am not sure, but get your mind turning, you know, after something like that. It did make me think of Shiny, because even Shiny came back like months later after what happened, and that seemed even crazier because it was like a shorter amount of time than these girls. So I just can't imagine. But I'm excited to see what they sound like musically at this point. So let's go. All right, we have our very first title track, which is Galaxy. Let's go. I heard some people say this is their favorite. Instant playlist. Oh! 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 Oh, the vibes. Oh, the vibes. What's this chorus? Ooh. I love her makeup and her hair. Gorge. The production is so good. The chimes. Ooh, Ashley, her voice. Oh, the transition of that. That piano key. Oh. Bridge. Hey, we brought back our bad girl elements. Oh. Wow. What? Wow. That was great. That was great. With a capital T at the end. Wow. Like, I mean, you just don't really, you know, that was a vibe. That was so right up my alley. And like I said at the very end, You know, I said in the other video that Bad Girl had someone mentioned in the comments Mamamoo, and that was such a perfect like relation because I think their debut was what, Piano Man. And that's exactly what I meant. Like I remember hearing that song and I was like, wow, this is so unusual. Same thing I felt with Bad Girl. And then they kind of brought back those kind of jazzier elements to the end of this song. And I really liked that. That was so good. I wanted to ask, like, are the two dancers here on purpose? Obviously, because this is our first comeback after what happened. So are they supposed to represent the two of them? Or is it just, we just have our extra two dancers here and it just happens to be, you know, let me know. I was very curious about that while this was playing, but yeah, right out the gate, that was an instant to the playlist vibe, and it sure enough is going straight to the playlist the moment this video is over with. That was so good. I can say though, there is something a bit different musically about Galaxy when you compare it to the other 5 that we checked out in the first video. Obviously it had been a couple years since Kiss Kiss, and so the aesthetic just looks a little different too. Even just this shot alone looks different from their past things, which, you know, I feel like it's going to be like that because, you know, the groups evolve over time. But it is interesting to see for this one. So The Rain is next. Let's go. What are we doing to me right now? This is so good. Very cool. This umbrella. Oh, the looks. Oh. Interesting. I like that. Oh. That was so good. The silhouette. Hey. Her voice there. Oh, her voice there was so nice. Oh, this instrument that comes in is so good. Is that a cello? Actually? Beautiful harmony. Oh, the poor fish. Beautiful bridge. I like that sound effect. Hey. That's a cool visual. It almost looks real. Very cool. Hold on. Actually, the length of Galaxy and the length of this song, bring it back, please. Bring it back to life. That was really, really well done. Oh my God, there was something I was going to ask. Oh, actually, I just wanted to point out and see if I know who's who. The girl in the middle is Sojung. On the left is Shuni and Ashley, right? Let me know if that is incorrect. But I wanted to make sure I was pointing people out. I believe Sojung is the girl that I kept pointing out for her high notes or higher note tone rather in the previous video. But yes, another nice and kind of like sultry kind of vibe. A tad more upbeat than Galaxy, but I really like just the way it sounded. Love the way this began with that. Like I like that they keep that like to be a thing when it comes to their music. That was definitely one of my favorite parts of this, especially what I thought initially was a violin, but then started to wonder if it was like a cello, because it did sound a lot heavier of an instrument than a violin. So maybe it was a cello. I don't know. That showed up in the second part of the verses, or maybe it was a pre-chorus. I'm not sure where that was in there, but it was very, very good. Loved it. Okay, this time we have lyrics to be able to read. Let's see if I actually pay attention. So feedback. Let's go. Oh, like the length again. Oh, again, haven't seen that before. Oh, this one has fluff at the beginning, so I guess it's not as long as the other two, but it's okay. Oh. Voice. Oh, her tone. Hey, look at them. The walk. Ooh, Ashley. Oh, this pre-chorus. They sound so good. Oh. I really like this pre-chorus. I love her tone so much. Oh, so wonderful. Really like that bridge. Hey. Ad-libs. Okay, Ashley. Wow. Oh, y'all, this actually upsets me because I don't know where I need them to like come back or something. What are they on hiatus? They're not like disbanded or anything, right? It's like one of those situations where I've done these videos, and I think I've said this maybe once or twice, where I'm just like, this is a group I would be following today if they were active today. Like, this music is like music. You know what I mean? Their voices are like so good. The production of these are so good. There's bridges, there's outros, that like all of it, musically speaking, for sure, is there. And it sounds so good. Like, wow. Wow, Stan Ladies Code, absolutely. Come on now. And they're adults. They're adults. That's what we need too. Like, come on. I like, no shade to the youngins, but like, come on now. I thought this was a really interesting shout out to So Wonderful. I wonder, is there some relation to this song lyric wise to So Wonderful? Like, why did they choose So Wonderful to show displayed? Maybe song vibe wise they wanted to connect it with that one. I don't know, but I liked this moment though. But that was so good. Just, yeah, another one for the playlist, y'all. Also, before I get roasted in the comments, no, I do not know who this is. I don't know if I should know who he is. I don't know if I've seen him before, but someone said did I recognize Wusung, The Rose in Hate You. And no, I didn't. Because wasn't he wearing sunglasses? I don't even know that he took them off. And if he did, I wasn't paying attention because I was too disturbed by the dolls. So I don't know. But the cool to know that he was in that. Okay, strangely, this one does not have lyrics, but it's okay because I wasn't paying attention on the last one. So it's okay. Mostly it would be a distraction anyway. So Set Me Free. Let's go. This one's pink now. Uh-oh. Oh? The green coat? Girl. Oh, the angel wings. Scar. Why is she able to come like that? I mean, I know it's not real, but for the context of the video. Okay. Wow, we're really just sticking up everybody. I love the ad-libs. Wow. I get flashing the money, but why the gun? While you're driving around town. Uh-oh. They look so good. I like how low her voice is. She's prepared for this. Woo. Oh. 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 Booty cheeks out. What's happening? Okay. Well, all right, y'all. Stripping. I really like that one. So far, I think these set of songs are my favorite ones for sure. Listening to these actually just makes me want to listen to like their B-sides now, because I'm really curious what those sound like. Like if they're anything like the title tracks, like this is gonna be a fun experience for me. I guess anything is possible with this group. Like the last release was in 2019, and I did see the views for each video get lower and lower, so I'm not sure what happened or what may have caused the hiatus, but I would love to see them release music again, like recent, like today, you know? I don't know, it would be interesting just because of how music has changed since 2019 as well, to see what they would do with it. But these songs, these ones in this particular video, it's so my vibe. Galaxy I think is definitely my favorite one, but honestly all of them, I can't wait to listen to them again. So that was an exciting time, you guys. Thanks so much for hanging out with me here, and I'll see you on the next video. Later.